In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney for icon design. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This gives us a familiar place to begin and make sure we land on the official site safely. In the search bar, type the word Midjourney. You'll see a list of results appear. Look for the official Midjourney site, which should clearly reference Midjourney and its Explore or homepage. Avoid ads or lookalikes, and make sure the domain is the legitimate one before you click. Once you're on the Midjourney website, you'll likely see an Explore page showcasing top creations. This is a helpful way to get a feel for the platform's visual style and what it can produce. We're going to focus on crafting a prompt for icon design. Think of the prompt as your creative brief. It tells the model what to make, how it should look, and the context it should follow. Enter a prompt like this: icon sheet, simple shapes, tree icon, white background, 50. Here's why this works. Icon sheet encourages a set of consistent icons or multiple versions rather than a single complex image. Simple shapes guides the model toward minimal, clean geometry that's easy to read at small sizes. Tree icon defines the subject clearly. White background helps ensure high contrast and easy extraction later. And S50 adjusts stylization, keeping results clean and not overly decorative. It's a balanced setting for crisp icons. If you need a different mood, you can swap tree with any subject, or add extra direction like flat colors, vector style, consistent line weight, or monoline to push clarity. You can also hint at use cases like app icon, toolbar, or 32px friendly to influence legibility. When your prompt feels right, click Submit. Midjourney will generate a set of results based on your instructions. Give it a moment to process. What you're looking for in icon design is clarity at small sizes, consistent proportions, and strong silhouette. If the results feel too busy, reduce descriptive adjectives, keep shapes simpler, or lower stylization further. If edges look soft, emphasize vector style and flat, high-contrast colors. If multiple icons in a sheet don't feel consistent, tighten your language with cohesive set, uniform style, or shared geometry. From here, you can assess what worked, note what to refine, and iterate by slightly adjusting your prompt. Small wording changes can have a big impact, so keep your brief precise and focused on the essentials of readability and consistency. That's it. You've just seen how to reach Midjourney, craft an effective icon prompt, and submit it for clean, usable results.